Reinforcing a door can be done with minimal impact to appearance when you plan for aesthetics from the start. Start by matching reinforcement hardware to existing cutouts so you avoid major chiseling or visible new holes. Use strike plates and hinge reinforcements, sized to fit the current mortises to preserve trim lines and save time. Where new holes are unavoidable, use tight tolerances and countersunk fasteners so plates sit flush, hand file or use a block plane rather than aggressive routing to keep edges neat. Choose finishes that match the door hardware or pick a complementary tone so the reinforcement reads as intentional design rather than an afterthought. For painted doors, touch up exposed wood or primer immediately with matching paint and feather the edges to blend brush marks. If you prefer a decorative solution, install trim or rosette covers around hardware to hide small gaps and to create a finished look. A common mistake is forcing oversized plates that require large chisels and leave visible gaps. Avoid that by measuring twice and ordering plates that align with existing cutouts or that are slightly smaller so you can enlarge cautiously. Another issue is using wrong fasteners that protrude or rust. Fix this by selecting stainless steel or brass screws of the correct length and driving them flush with the plate's surface. People also neglect finish matching, which makes new hardware stand out. Remedy that by testing paint or metal patinas on a scrap piece and applying primer plus 2 coats, or by using decorative cover plates to make the hardware look intentional. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and offers project pages where we share guidance on aesthetic-friendly security upgrades. We also host a discussion community where we and other members trade tips, ask questions, and recommend contractors so both homeowners and contractors can find one another.